right, we will move into our accent on academics. Dr. Shandor?
Yes, thank you, Ms. Goodwin. Tonight we'll hear about the Tabb Elementary Maritime STEM Club, where students take part in hands-on maritime-themed STEM activities. This program supports our strategic plan by preparing future-ready graduates and connecting classroom learning to real-world experiences. Now I'll present Ms. Beth Welch, principal at Tabb Elementary School.
Good evening, Madam Chair, board, members of the board, Dr. Shandor. I am Beth Welch, principal of Tabb Elementary School. Tonight, we are excited to present STEM Set Sail for Maritime Learning, highlighting how our school engages students in hands-on maritime-themed STEM experiences. These activities spark curiosity, develop problem-solving skills, and connect classroom learning to real-world applications. Our after-school Maritime STEM Club was launched during the 2024-25 school year through funding from the DODEA Military Connected Academic Support Programs grant. This grant supports military-connected students in exploring careers within environmental and maritime science pathways. The program aligns with the division's strategic plan priority of future-ready graduates, helping students develop collaboration, problem-solving, and adaptability skills that prepare them for future education, careers, and life. The Maritime STEM Club exemplifies the future-ready graduates' focus area of engaging educational experiences. Students tackle real-world challenges related to our local maritime community, collaborate with peers, and apply critical thinking skills. These experiences extend learning beyond the classroom and help students understand how today's learning connects to future STEM opportunities. Having shared an overview of the goals and impacts of our Maritime STEM Club, we would like to provide a visual perspective of the program in action. This video showcases the STEM learning experiences our students engaged in, along with their reflections of what the program has meant to them. You will also hear from our teacher sponsor who has guided and supported students throughout this enriching experience.
Since transitioning out of the classroom and into my role as an ESL teacher about 5 years ago, I knew I really wanted to create a club that further connects the students to bring them together in all of their different cultures and backgrounds and experiences to really highlight their individualities. So when I went to the students, I did ask them what they were interested in, and I kind of used some of what their feedback was to drive my weekly theme.
The best and fun part of Maritime for me is we got to use robots and then we got to lead them around the world map.
The most fun part of the Maritime STEM Club for me was that we would always create things and then at the end we would test them, and I was like, when we would create things, we would always make them and then we'd leave them for a couple days, and the next time we have a club, we would test them out.
Oh, it was so fun to watch them every single week here in the club. Their excitement of having to problem solve and work together, seeing students from different cultures and different backgrounds and different grade levels working together to solve the problems, and then watching their creation come to life, and then learning about how the same thing they're doing here in school in this club is happening in the real world.
It helped me think about problem solving, like if I was on an actual ship, what would happen to me and how would I solve those problems.
The students were able to see the different tools, decision-making processes, and choices throughout this learning experience.
It was we would always come up with ideas, and it would help me because every time she says we would do something, my friend, she would give ideas to me and we would always create something.
I enjoy about building, like when we build together and work together.
Throughout the weeks, we were able to showcase both onshore and offshore maritime career pathway opportunities, and it was really neat for the kids to see that there are so many careers out there waiting for them, both right here in our backyard and globally as well.
I want to be a captain of a ship because it sounds like fun, and I can know about things about ships.
Well, I'm really interested in science and would like to work in NASA, but I'd also consider being a sailor maybe one day.
It is now my pleasure to introduce Mrs. Heather Emerson, our English as a Second Language teacher, who is the dedicated sponsor of our Maritime STEM Club. Her passion for hands-on learning and her commitment to guiding students through innovative, real-world STEM experiences has been instrumental in making this program a success.
Good evening. My name is Heather Emerson. I am proud to serve as the teacher sponsor of the Tabb Elementary Maritime STEM Club. Beyond what you saw in the video, this program also reflects the division's strategic plan priority of collective commitment. As students, staff, families, and community members work together to support student success. Our community partners and parents contributed as guest speakers, sharing expertise in maritime career pathways that guided students' exploration of STEM projects. For example, a Tabb parent who is a marine and technical chief engineer connected his career to our students' wind turbine build challenge, providing a global perspective. The collaboration and support from our community have allowed students to move beyond STEM challenges to connect directly with careers held by individuals in their own community, making the possibilities for their future learning and careers more tangible and attainable. I am excited to introduce two of our students, Willie Wu and Emma Belina, who will share their perspectives on what they have learned and experienced through this program.
Good evening, my name is Willie Wu, and I am now in 6th grade at Tabb Middle. Last year, when I was in 5th grade, I was part of Maritime STEM Club. My favorite challenge was the shipbuilding and workboat races. I really enjoyed this challenge because we got to design and build a model boat and then test it in the water. We learned about the dead rice boat, which is special to the Chesapeake Bay, and how fishermen and other workers use it in their jobs. This challenge showed me how STEM connects to real careers in our own community. I learned that people can work the water as boat builders, engineers, and fishermen, and their work helped the economy and our way of life. It was exciting to see how what we build in STEM connects to jobs people actually do every day, and that's why this was my favorite challenge.
Good evening, my name is Emma Belina, and I'm a 4th grader student at Tabb Elementary. My favorite challenge in the Maritime STEM Club was maritime navigation with Ozobots. In this challenge, we used small robots to model ships moving along major trade routes. We learned about ports around the world like the English Channel and how goods are shipped and shared globally. I discovered how important maritime trade is and how it connects us to the world around us. This challenge was my favorite because I could see how robotics and coding connected to real jobs like working in ports, shipping, and logistics. It showed me that STEM is not just about technology in the classroom, but also about careers that keep the world moving every single day. Being part of this challenge helped me see that one day I could be part of those careers too.
This concludes concludes our presentation. We welcome your comments and questions.
So I have a question for each of you. Did this experience in the club, did it inspire you to want to get involved in a trade, something like this? Get involved with the ships or being on the water or anything like that?
Well, I wasn't interested in maritime before this, but it did really teach me about it, and now I think that it would be fun to be a sailor or a sailor across the sea.
Okay.
So how cool are those robots?
Very cool.
Really cool.
So you made them work and go from point A to point B? It's like trace the line?
Yes.
So how does that translate into like using it with the ships?
Well, we pretended that the Ozobots would be ships that were crossing around the world, and they would go to different ports.
Good. So what's the biggest port that you remember?
The English Channel.
English Channel, all right, that's nice. So, question for you, young man. Do you want to be a pirate or do you want to be like...
I would rather to be a boat builder to build boats and know about how boats work and how many hours and minutes did it cost to travel around the world.
That's wonderful. So you want to build fast boats or big boats?
Just like regular boats.
Regular boats.
Like regular
Come
boats.
fishing, that's right, that's right. Thank you.
It's just a great program. I hope you continue it. And it looks like you had a lot of participation, so hopefully it continues to grow. So good job. Thank you.
Thank you very much.